Hello and welcome. Thanks for choosing to study with me. This video is aimed at introducing you to Microsoft Word and the various terminologies associated with the program. Microsoft Word is a word processing application that is used to create, edit, and format documents, such as reports, resumes, letters, and more. My focus will be on the following: Microsoft Word interface, text basics, creating documents, saving, and save as. When you open Microsoft Word, there is a good chance you'll be taken to the backstage. From here, you'll be able to create a new blank document, or even choose from the available templates. For the sake of this tutorial, I will open a blank document by clicking on this option. And just like that, we have created a new blank document. Before we get started with the program, it's good that we take a look at the interface. The recent versions of MS Word uses the tabbed system. That means its commands or options will be organized in tabs. Microsoft Word interface is structured using bars, and from on top, we have the title bar. This houses the title or the name of your document, not to forget the program name. Still on this bar at the top right side is the program control buttons, used to minimize, restore, maximize, and close the document respectively. The ribbon contains the various tabs, which includes Home, Insert, Design, Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review, and View. Below these tabs are various commands, each tab having its own commands below it. The commands are grouped into various groups to make it easy for the user to find. In some groups, you can also find this button. Upon clicking it, it shows you more commands in that group. Just below the ribbon is the typing area. This is where all the magic happens. Creating, editing, and formatting of the documents takes place here. Also featured are the horizontal and the vertical rulers. At the very bottom is the status bar. It is from here that you can read the status of a document, like how many pages you have and in which page you are in, and also the number of words created. On the right are the different document views and the zoom command. The recent versions of Microsoft Word are now using the backstage view. The gate to the backstage view is the file tab. It is from this view that you can create new documents, open existing ones, save as, and also printing documents, among others. The beauty of this view is that upon clicking on an option, commands related to the option will be displayed on the right side. To begin creating your first text, position your cursor where you want the text to appear. After that, you are now ready to begin typing. After creating your document, you may want to change the appearance of your text to make it more attractive and professional. This is where formatting comes in. To format text, you have to select the text first. To select the text, hold your left mouse button and drag. You'll notice a gray color on your text that tells you that the text is selected. For example, let's say you want to bold the text. After highlighting, go to the Home tab and in the font group, click the Be Sable. And just like that, the text is formatted to bold. Microsoft Word also provides pre-formatted heading styles. These are mostly applied to document headings, titles, text that you want to be strong or bold, text that you want to put some emphasis on, table of contents headings, list bullets, among others. When you finish creating your document, there is a good chance that you may want to save it for future reference. And this is where Save and Save As comes in. Basically, saving is the process of updating a document, while Save As is the process of storing documents or files at their file name. To save as a document, go to the Backstage and select Save As. Select where you would want to save a document and give it a file name, and then save. Any change made to the document after this should be updated, and this is where the save comes in. It will ensure that the previously saved document has the newly added information. To save a document, head on to the Backstage by clicking the File tab and click on Save. Please leave your comment below so I can create content that's accurately valuable and helpful. Thanks. Consider subscribing if you like my content.